Sunita Williams and his friend finally have come back to world after a long controversy, after a long concern, because she reached out 9 months ago for 8 days trip it was, but for the reason of dispute revealed out in Chandrayaan Boy space boy, it was revealed out and she not come back. But today, finally, she have come back successfully. It was landing in the sea. After that, collect them, and she have going to a NASA 6 month course. That is actually when a astronaut return back to world, she is not working properly, she is not doing something properly, his body is not survive. So that's why NASA create a course, that is 6 month course. Here have some meditation, have some fooding, lodging, some control, and as well as there have medical checkup day by day. After that, it will happen fully perfect. Then we'll get release. So that's the process. So that's the point. When you always think when concerned is in Earth, from it can be happen from aliens, it can be happen from any other planet, it can be attack to earth, it can be happened. So that time NASA would get the proper guidance or take to save the world, save the earth. So you think your mind, but that's not the possible in every time, because NASA in his own astronaut are got failure to bring back world. So how they can we execute that? There happened in another thing. The Elon Musk in his company SpaceX, Elon Musk speak to NASA that why a satellite when it take off the same direction, why he not get back to landing the same direction? NASA spoke out. You are a mad. It's not possible. There have not any law in the world. NASA spoke. What? Elon Musk. He spoke. Must have law. Who made the law? Who invent the law? He can do. He don't know this law. But universe there have law. And finally, Elon Musk search this law. Able to pursue this law, and he rocket in his rocket is take off, and same direction it was get landing. But first time failure, second time failure, he failure a lot, and his whole money are being invested for this work. Finally he succeed, and he proved that what is peak NASA, that's not the perfect. That's the Elon Musk. So in present time, you can speak the SpaceX is better research or better get better fruitful outcome from NASA. So that's the Elon Musk, and that's happened. So you write down in comment box that a compare in comments box that SpaceX and NASA, who is more prominent and powerful in present time. Thank you.